Car Value Scout is an app designed to help you avoid overpaying for used cars. It uncovers hidden repair costs and determines the true market value, providing expert knowledge for confident negotiations. With Car Value Scout, you'll receive real-time market values, OBD2 diagnostics, and guided visual inspections. You can calculate the as-is value, generate printable PDF reports, and access an instant parts finder and DIY repair videos. The app helps you get the real value of a car in 3 simple steps. Download the free app, enter the vehicle info, and instantly get the true market value, estimated repair costs, and the as-is price. The printable PDF report provides negotiation leverage by presenting a data-backed case for your offer, including the market value and repair costs. It's your secret weapon in car buying. Car Value Scout is more than just a price guide. It's a complete inspection and negotiation tool that gives you everything you need to buy with confidence.